Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay, so first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.log. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then click on MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. So select it. If you are unable to find the version, you have to click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Then select the operating system. See here we have the Red Hat Linux or Oracle Linux. Select it. Then select OS versions. See here we have the versions from 7 to 9. So select the latest one, that is Oracle Linux 9 64-bit, x86 64-bit. See, once we selected these options, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package and installing, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 899 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untar this star file and we will install it. Okay, this will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. CD, go to downloads directory, downloads ls. Now we have to untar this file. tar-xf, then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. Extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages that needs to be installed. Control A. So install them. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, then star.rpm. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. This will take time. I am going to skip this one. See, we have successfully installed. Control A. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL Server is installed, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Hit enter. We have successfully started. Verify again. See, MySQL service started 3 seconds ago. We took it. Control L. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL server. But to connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of root account. But we can get the temporary root account password by going to more/var/log, then mysqld.log, then grep password. Hit enter. We must give this with sudo. Hit enter. See, this is the temporary password. Okay, this is not same for you. So set that password for the root account by using this temporary password. Sudo mysql_secure_ installation. Hit enter. Then we have to provide this temporary password. Copy it. Paste it, hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. So provide the strong password. Again it is asking to change the password for root account. No. Remove anonymous users. No. Test yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Control A. Now connect to MySQL -u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set now. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Also, we can verify the same by running the command select version. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.42. Control A. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a database. Create database Now verify again. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database by using the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify the list of the tables in this database. So tables. See, we don't have any tables, so create a table. Create table. See, we have created table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, you have inserted these rows. Okay, now verify the list of the users. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Okay, now exit from the MySQL server and connect with new user. Exit mysql-u. New user name is David-p. Then provide the password of this user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay. See, we have successfully connected. Verify currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server with the user David. Okay. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use bank. See, permission denied. Okay. See, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay. Control-L, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 9.6. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Verify the status. See, MySQL Server is stopped. Okay. See, it is inactive or dead. Hit Control-A. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. mysql-u root-p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. We have successfully started. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Okay. Hit Control-A. If you want to restart, just use sudo systemctl restart mysqld. Hit enter. We have successfully restarted. Check the status. See, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the most popular tools like MySQL Workbench and DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Oracle Linux. Okay, we have successfully installed ls. Now these files are not required anymore. rm, give the star.rpm, ls, rm, give this star file also. Hit enter, ls. Okay, so we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Oracle Linux 9.6. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.